Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. From Una Ear Device, Una know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, in the morning, yeah, I have a piece of bombshell for drop on Uno. But I want to take a look at my screen because I saw me kick it off this morning. Yes, man. Take a look at my screen, my wisdom warriors. Who I want to stand up out here, so just take a good look. You have Mark Golden, look. Who tell me now, why this a man need mask for cover for him face? Talk truth. Why this a man need mask for cover him face? Mark Golden is at Cornwall Regional Hospital. So so he's having a look, have a look around, of the construction and of the place and how the place is constructed. But my wisdom warriors, there is something. I wonder if you figure it out. Who remember when Jamaica Labour Party MP stand up and was bigging up Choppa Black? Who remember when them a big up them Choppa? When them a big up them bloggers, my wisdom warriors, Lord Jesus. Who remember? You know what I hear about this? I heard about it in my wisdom warriors. But true, because me never seen no picture with him over the site, me never really want to come out and talk. But since as me see picture with him, see, this is the blogger that they were, the man were covering face with the mask. Look good. Uno look good, my wisdom warriors. I am named Choppa Black, Yes, a Choppa John this, Yes, man. I am my wisdom warriors. So it is alleged. Because guess what now? At this point, me don't know what type of position he have over there. But from him a lead team, and I explained to Mark Golden, and it seems like he's a project manager. You understand? Or maybe a supervisor. But Andrew Wellness blogger, with them blogger where they did a big up few much years, we work hard for them in a big top job. Big top job, my wisdom warriors, over Cornwall Regional Hospital. Then when Andrew Wellness ready, my contact about PNP. Then when Andrew Wellness, you have to go in. You have to go in the morning, and that me I make you know. You have to go in the morning. When you're ready, you come out and attack PNP. And look what you guys doing. Look what Una do. My wisdom warriors, take in this.
Okay, you have a good idea.
What, do you know the ratio of the Jamaican to Chinese workforce on the project?
Well, the contract arrangement is supposed to be a 50-50 ratio. However, you and I know the number will remain a more consistent number.
Yeah.
But the local number fluctuates. Right now, I think we're at about 70%. All these are, that's what everyone is looking.
Okay.
It's a common area, like a living space.
Right.
And there's a shared space. So this is from a bedroom near a bathroom. And another bedroom.
What's the capacity?
I think it's gonna be.
My wisdom warriors, Una hear Choppa? Una hear Choppa? When Mark Golden asks him what is the ratio, he might talk about 50-50. Choppa tappy, about 50-50. Hey, Mark Golden no sound so convincing. Una hear Mark Golden, right. Una not hear that. Mark Golden no sound so convincing at all. But 50-50, not a 50-50. You never gone, listen, not a 50-50. Una hear him and then, but you and I know. What you mean you and I know? I mean, you and I know. And right now you think. What you mean you think? You have to stop the blasted thinking. How you mean say you think? Eh? My wisdom warriors, me I go drag on a memory and then we are going to get back to this conversation. Me I go drag on a memory and remind you how the Jamaica Labour Party was bigging up Choppa, Choppa, Choppa from the Choppa black box cover taking this. My wisdom warriors, me say me have the people them business over here so for drop it like it's at. Hear this.
Love no bad. To our social media warriors like Keisha Mack, Alex Higgs, Selena, Oral Campbell, Bridget Watson, Donovan De Paz, Black Italian, Jay Brown, Alex Jano, Mr. and Mrs. Dottyman, Choppa John West from the Chapping Block.
Wanna hear that, my wisdom warriors? Choppa John from the... Alright, so you hear that name? It's this person that is going around and, showing Mark Golding the way around. Yes, I him name. So, wanna hear him big up him blogger. Yes, what me I tell you no. So, no for the things them what Jamaica Labour Party I do is true. Because Jamaica Labour Party is out there paying bloggers, my wisdom warriors. Jamaica Labour Party is out there paying bloggers. You understand? Yes, they are. Me nah say they didn't pay him, But me I tell you no, this is what they do. The Jamaica Labour Party. You understand? So me I show you say, him just big up in Choppa whatever from Chapping Block. And that same very person is that person that is standing next to Mark Golding. Take a look at this. My wisdom warriors, wanna see that? Okay, wanna see that? He's the same very person. You understand? This a man is, me don't know him or what, me can't go say it. If me figure say he is that, but it is alleged that he's a project manager. From a blogger, from a vlogger to project manager because he works so hard for the Jamaican Labour Party. You understand? So in a big position. So you see, when you see enough of them out, them my wisdom warriors are and I tell pure lie and about Andrew honest because they have an agenda. They have agenda. You understand? Enough of them I get paid too. So it was very surprising to see this man. I heard he was there, I heard, but me never have any evidence or anything. I heard that him was working there, but I didn't know what he was doing, my wisdom warriors. I never know what he was doing. But me just a show you. You understand? So when Mark Golding asked him about ratio, how much ratio to Jamaica to Chinese, he talk about 50-50. Who believe that? And then in at the end, when you hear when you say in at the end, me go play it back, I go play it back because me want to listen good, In at the end, I say, oh, right now, I think it's 70-30. Like him I say, you and I know nothing. You know hear Mark Golding say, right. You have to follow it to understand. Seriously. Hear more.
Okay, so you have a good idea what you
What, do you know the ratio of the Jamaican to Chinese workforce on the project?
Well, the contractual arrangement is supposed to be a 50-50 ratio. However, you and I know the number will remain a more consistent number,
Yeah.
but the local number fluctuates.
So my wisdom warriors, the man that is, that is leading and the one who have on the mask, I am at the Choppa Chop. Yes, I am at the Choppa Chop. Where you hear that the man, they did a big up, them personal blogger. Yes, man, I him around the thing over Cornwall Regional Hospital. To be quite honest with you, I'm not sure if he's the project manager. However, it is alleged, there's allegations that he is the project manager. I do not know. But as far as me see from him lead the team, that means that he must some supervisor or something. He must something big. You understand me? All right. But the part where I really want to know for hear, yeah? Wanna hear? Yeah, wanna hear what him say when Mark Golding asks him what is the ratio to Jamaican and Chinese? What him say? He say 50-50. But you and I know. You hear him? But you and I know. No, you and I know nothing. Andrew Owens and Una alone know that. You get me? Everybody, cause it me I say it could never be 50-50. So it don't make no sense he did even mention 50-50. Because we know that. We know so there's no way. When you look on the whole building, I pay Chinese writing all boat. A China they in there or a Jamaica? That me want to know. Uno they are China or uno they are Jamaica. So how the blasted sitting have pay China writing when nobody not understand? I could have all some bad word right pan it and we don't even know. Like seriously. Seriously, my wisdom warriors. But when I hear him, I talk about you and I know, and I think it's about 70-30. I peer think, they never sure yet. Peer think, they think.
Right now, I think we're at about 60, 70, 30.
Sounds good.
All these are that's what everyone is doing.
Okay.
It's a common area, like a living space,
Right.
and there's a shared space. So this is from a bedroom here, bathroom, and another bedroom.
What's the capacity?
So my wisdom warriors, yes, on the hear him 70-30. And as I said before, we know it will never be no 50-50. I China, you know, I China people them have this a contract, yeah. Yeah, I China people them seems like them have a contract and then just put the black man up front. Hey, Lord Jesus. Hey, we can't go China go do these things, you know. If uno got not even one black business that they are China. Not even one black business no there. No black. If a black business there, I must a Chinese man a sell black people stuff. I tell you no. But you will never see a black person own a business in a China. Never. So I don't know how Andrew Honest him just allow them to just take over the whole Jamaica. Remember say, you know, the reason, listen, me tell you something one of people don't know. You know how Chinese people they end up and reach a Jamaica? You did know? Because they did a run away from some yellow fever thing where they did have developed in their country and they run come to Jamaica for safety. Me tell you now. They run come to Jamaica for safety, for help. If you never know that. For help, then come to Jamaica for. Yeah, because pure sickness and all people they are dying for them country, so they run we come to Jamaica. So you see, enough of them talk about Jamaica, this and slavery, whatever. You see, everybody will run come to Jamaica, them come for safety. Run away and come to Jamaica for safety. You understand? Because enough of them place did whole heap of sickness and whole heap of problem did go on in for them country. So you see, everybody come to Jamaica for rescue. Yeah, and Jamaica with open hands, Jamaica rescue them. You understand? Yeah. So my wisdom warriors, me I tell you, say, me not really like the fact of how they have the China writing all over. Me not like it. However, I'm saying that the place look nice. Uno know say me have to talk short. The place look good. It look good. Me not lie on no. It look good. And uno know me always come out and me always talk facts. My problem when me have, I was saying, you have a lot of hospital we need fixing up. And they need equipment and resources too. They need medication, even simple gas. A lot of hospitals don't have gas. A lot of hospitals don't have Panadol. Me tell you no. So I don't understand how Christopher Tufton take so much money, which me I get to understand it is like a private public partnership thing. You understand? So investors are has been invested and stakeholders involved in this thing. So I don't know how it go already. But I was saying, why you never spend the money on the public hospital? Remember, so there's a lot of things needed in the public. So I couldn't understand. Remember basic things needed, you know. Remember, so people are suffering, you know. People are dying, you know, because they don't have certain resources, certain equipment, certain medication they don't have. So why you never take the money and do that? Fix what you have before. You understand? Fix what you have before. The money where you use and do this, you couldn't fix. You could fix a hospital, buy medication, make sure say you have enough, you know, equipment, you know, enough resources. Because a lot of people lose them life just because the carelessness and the negligence of not making sure you have enough equipment. You understand? So to me, it was really unnecessary to go and build this, you know, this building when you have people dying right now and people really need things right now. So I just don't get Christopher Tufton. Me just don't get it. Yeah, everybody have big dreams, but come on, you have to fix the little where you have first. You can't just lift the little and just lift the local and people are dying, you know, people are suffering. No, no. It wouldn't come like people, it's like it's a sacrifice, you know? It's like I just leave them, the people they alone and, you know, business and say, no, I'm going to do this, you know, because next 10 years it can bring in so and so money. You get me? Them a like a public hospital and I'm going to give me no money, so I go bill up this one over here, so. But you can't do things like that. You can't do things like that. You understand me? So I'm not happy with Christopher Tufton. I'm not happy. Because equipment needed. You get money if you buy equipment. When you get it, when a country offer you something to do, you do it. When a country give you something for the sick and needy, use it for the sick and needy. Because the sick and needy need it right now. Unless I never have no sick and needy. Then I say, you know what? I'm going to use it for such and such. But when you have people depending on you, and we need equipment and resources, buy it. We need medication. Get it. You have the money. Buy it. We need it. People are dying for God's sake. Yes, you have big dreams, but that can't do after our way till I get some other money. This is my problem. I have them go backwards. Them go backwards. That is the problem. You understand me? So my wisdom warriors, nobody feels I'm gone from this blogger here. So this a money we walk around with Mark Golding. I blogger, the same very blogger when my man there. Here, I hear right like in him, the MP. Him same one. Where you see my big up, Choppa. That is the Choppa. I him a bring Mark Golding around. And he not hide it too because he have it up all on his page on social media. He have it a show. But me just a show you something. You understand? Me just a show you something. Enough of them have them bloggers out here doing this and doing that. You understand me? And them same. That's why you see enough things happening in the country. My wisdom warriors. That's why you see enough things happening in the country because they don't use people with qualification and experience. Me nah say he may not listen. Me not want to not get me wrong. Because me no know film background and me no know him life story. You understand? Me no know Choppa life story. But me I tell you no. Andrew Wellness, them always go through links. They don't use people who have experience and that are qualified. This is why the healthcare is suffering so much. Because Christopher Tufton have no qualification in a health and Christopher Tufton have no experience. Christopher Tufton have experience in business, marketing, not healthcare. This is why our healthcare is suffering. So that's why when you see Christopher Tufton come out and build this and build that, because he's a market, he's a PR, whatever window, and he's a marketer. That is what he do. So him only think about building. But he not think about getting the necessary things, items where we need in the hospital. This is why they have to remove him from this and put him somewhere else. If Andrew Wellness want a marketer, marketing manager, he put him as his secretary. You understand me? Horace Chang would have fit more. Horace Chang would have fit more, you understand? But we don't want him. We don't know what we're already making turnover this. So we don't want him. But me just showing you something. You get me? Me just showing you something, my wisdom warriors. This is why Christopher Tufton think about Bill because he's a marketer. A marketing he do. You get me? So these all bloggers you see where Andrew Wellness have on social media. You see, and then they come and talk about pay. That is me telling you, say everything what them do, everything what the labor right do, they switch it round and I say a PNP do it. You understand me? When PNP no do nothing, PNP no do nothing, and them do it. Everything what them do, every single bad way you hear them do, them come and talk about PNP. PNP is humble people, me I tell you no. PNP is, you see the people them now, you know see the amount of new people in a PNP team. You know see what go on. Hey, them are people are different type of people. You get me? But because Andrew Wellness, they still have the old head, them in a film camp, they still think in the old civilized way. You get me? Them still have this bad, this workless, this wicked heart. That's why them so heartless. You get me? One day me hear this lady this lady with the charity was saying, she's labor right, and she was saying, Andrew Holness, I want you to take a look in a PNP campaign and say, I appear young people, Mark Walden having there. And that lady when me I talk about, a Mountain View she come from, and she's die-hearted Jamaica Labour Party, yeah? She a die-hearted JLP. So, when you say Andrew Holness, I don't know who advise Andrew Holness, but Christopher Tufton need to resign from this post. If you don't want to put him somewhere, fine, put him somewhere, but he's not good in this facility. You understand? This health minister, no, he not good. He will good on the marketing, yes. So, fling him somewhere else. Because it's like everybody a suffer. You understand? Because he want look big and follow the big country and him a dream big, and you understand he's a businessman, so him just a bill. But the people are suffering, and you not fix that. You left that. You don't care. You understand me? It is not nice. It is not nice. My wisdom warriors, the place look good though. That's one thing me can say, the place look good. But me just a show no, because me say when me see it, me say me have to show no. Because me go do my research now. Yeah man, me go find him page too. And me run through it and me scroll through it. I just show me can show it over here. You understand me? But me will show it on TikTok a little bit. Because in the on TikTok too, you know, so me have to kind of careful. You understand me? Yeah? So my wisdom warriors, me go do my own research. So this is not a lie. As I said, I'm not sure if he's the project manager. This is why I use the word allege. I'm not sure. But me know say it must something big, because from you I go around and a show and a talk about ratio to Mark Golden. You have to be in charge. You understand? But there's allegations out there that he's the project manager. From a blogger to a project manager. What you mean? What you mean? Of course. You understand? So I don't want nobody come over here and talk about bad man and a bad man. Me just a show Me just a show them up. Show up Jamaica Labour Party. Them always say a PNP I do the things. But when you look at them, evidence always come out. Proof always come out. I show them up, say a them I do it. Lord Jesus. I see if them have proof. You see, if them have proof with PNP, when them done blast that on social media, but they not no proof. Me tell us so they always come out with a bag of mouth and no substance behind it and no evidence. But we always have evidence for them. We always. Yeah, we always. Can you know why? You see, what we do it from our heart. And we want better for Jamaica. But when them do it because them get paid. And you only appear out for him black as them. You understand? This is why they can't. You hear them talk about how PNP have blackers that do this. And them same one MP, same one stand up in a parliament. I big up them blagger them. So me I feel laugh when me hear the little boo head then come out and chat pure shit. That's why me diss them more while. I mean I care. Who want like me? I do not care. You understand me? But me just show you how Andrew Holness whole cabinet come down. They're showing us that Andrew Holness administration is the worst in our history. Yes, it's the worst. Because everybody him doing turn it and say a PNP when you know say him I do it. But my wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. I want to take in this because I know say the place did at last night. When me telling remember I know Mark Golden is going around doing his conference. You understand? So why them I make peer nice? Them I talk about PNP I make nice, and them JLP I make peer nice. Mark Golden is cruising, going from parish to parish and meeting the people, celebrating with the people. He's doing his conference. You understand? Taking this. My wisdom warriors, me telling you say, Mount CLM I got it turn up last night like whoa. You understand? When you see the people they love Marky G. The next stop is going to be in Savannah Lamar. Hear this.
Julian, get a bro, Mark, everybody MP. Go ahead. Like a push broom, so we put them na this.
Savlamar, Savannah Lamar. This is your counselor, Julian Chang. The People's National Party presents its annual divisional conference on Sunday, June 30th at 5 p.m. Godfrey Stewart High. Join us as we chart the way forward for the upliftment of our communities. See you there.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna see the place at. So when on hear Andrew Wallace talk about nice and Christopher Tufton come out and talk about nice. Now listen to them. Cause that for them topic. You understand about nice. They actually going around and doing their divisional conference. You understand me? So they busy going around the whole Jamaica, touring Jamaica. What happened to them? Marky G not have time for them. And I say Marky G not look upon them. Marky G not look upon them. So everybody that watch Hot Off of the Press, that lives around the area of Savannah Lamar, wanna make sure say wanna find on yourself down a Godfrey Stewart High School. Cause the place I go at. The place I got turn up. Me want to go out and show on support my wisdom warriors. Alright? That. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got there in the comment section. You can also reach me on my WhatsApp, which is 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.